Today's Vidnoz Tips is your fast track to creating a high-quality, professional avatar in just a few clicks.
Hello. I know you might be thinking the lady you just watched is a real person recording this video, or that it cost hundreds of dollars to generate. But it is an AI talking avatar. It was actually created in minutes and 100% for free. Crazy, right? Usually, to get a talking head that realistic, you have to pay expensive monthly subscriptions to some AI tools. But today I'm going to show you how to bypass those paywalls. In this video, I'm breaking down Vidnoz AI. I'll show you how to generate unlimited avatars, and most importantly, I'm going to share a specific scripting hack later in the video that makes the AI voice sound human instead of robotic. You don't want to miss that. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with the outfit to set the tone. You can choose the one that fits your character. Don't stop at one filter. Combine them for hyper-specific results. This can be the region, posture, hairstyle, accessories, occupation, and so on. Your avatar's framing changes its feel. Pick the best format for your video, which could be half body, circle head, or square head. A realistic avatar absolutely needs a realistic voice. Dive into the library of hyper-realistic AI voices to find the perfect tone and accent that truly matches your character. You can paste your full script right here.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatar.
Alright, to start generating, hit the first link I've left for you right in the description below. That link will take you directly to the Vidnoz AI homepage. Once the page loads up, we need to bypass any paywalls, so look for the big, clear button that says Create Free Video Now and click that to proceed. You can sign up instantly using your Google account or any email address you prefer. Get that done quickly, and once you're verified, you will be brought straight to this creation dashboard. Congrats! You now have access to a powerful free AI avatar generator. You should know that with Vidnoz, you can let your imagination run wild. Go ahead and bring all your creations to life. Here are other things you can do with Vidnoz AI.
Then list the advantages of the store's products to explain why you choose the store.
So there you have it. We have seen how to create a truly realistic talking AI avatar completely for free using Vidnoz AI. If this tutorial just saved you hours of filming time and helped you bypass those expensive paywalls, show your support. Drop a like and make sure you subscribe to Ray Creators Lab. We are constantly finding and testing the best AI and online tools for content creators. And before you jump off, if you want to know which other free AI video tool is a must-use for your content workflow, check out the video popping up on your screen right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.